Okay. So we are going to discuss about movie today. Are you ready?
Right. I'm
Okay.
completely ready.
So firstly, I didn't watch all the best movie. Okay, I wanted to watch as you just told me about like it was your favorite. So I wanted to watch, but I didn't get time really. Okay.
It was quite old one. Like I watched
Okay.
before, like 5, 6 years, 7 year, 8 years
No
back.
problem. I
The
watch
old
old
version.
movies. If they are really full of fun, then I watch it. Like a Golmaal first. I watched this recently even.
All the best, Golmaal. Like these all are like the same series movie.
Yeah. So did you watch
Okay.
a Rascal
This
movie?
Rascal. I think I watched that movie, but I didn't remember about the
Okay.
story and all.
Sometimes I really wonder like how can a person be so much serious and mature and how that person can change into a really funny person and without even laughing or smiling when I see Ajay Devgan. What would you say?
No. If you're talking about his acting,
Hmm.
like it was awesome. If he's coming to like action scenes, it's good. If he's coming for like any kind of funniest scene, that is quite comedy scenes, everything suits on Ajay Devgan.
But he never laughs
So
actually. He never laughs. I mean, can you recall that scene when he says in that Golmaal first like कि आपकी acting में इतनी reality थी like we couldn't control ourselves for acting you. So means he was not laughing at that moment, but we started laughing like while seeing that scene.
because his acting is quite good, but
Hmm.
whatever he is doing, that is quite good, different from other ones.
And actually,
So
in Rascal also he did the same.
okay, but I didn't remember about the story of Rascals. Maybe it was the same as like that one, Golmaal, but I didn't remember. I think I have watched that movie also, little bit.
I watched a way
And,
back. Means it has been like more than 2 years, I think.
and I like mostly the funniest scene of that supporting actor. Like Akshay Kumar is also good for comedy scenes,
Right.
comedy movies and all.
Mhm.
He also do very well.
Right.
Like if you watch that movie, what Mal, so he had done lots of comedy in that movies.
Yes.
But I prefer to watch that like Rajpal Yadav, jaise, like these kind of actors, Sanjay Misra. So these are the supporting actors who makes movie really funny, interesting.
Right. But if you talk about Akshay
So
Kumar, he's a king of comedy, I will say. And many movies, means uncountable movies, he has done really marvelously. Like in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, I can recall a lot of scenes actually. So he was playing a role
yeah,
of a very different kind of person who was not, he was fearless, you can say. All the time he used to criticize Salman Khan.
And no one can say like that. Akshay Kumar, initially Akshay Kumar was known for like what actions movies only. Initially, if you're going for his Khiladi series and all, like in that time he was completely known for like only these kind of things like actions movie. He can't do comedy and all. But once he entered into that comedies movies and scenes and all, so he had done best in that part also. And I like his acting. Because he's my favorite one. His fitness level, the way he worked, whatever he had done, like his action movie is also quite good. So nowadays he's completely changed. He moved from actions to different zone.
Yeah.
Like he had done lots of patriotic movies also on the best of like Indian Army, Air Force and all. So in that also he was quite good.
Yes. So if you
So
get
I
a
think
chance, would you like to perform? Would you like to be an actor?
this is the hobbies. This is the like what
This
like
is
hobbies of each and everyone,
okay,
interest
this
of
is
each
the
and
dream.
everyone.
This is the dream of every youth, like.
Yeah, every human being who want to be in front of anything, who want to do something. Some people are like camera shy. They don't want to like do acting in front of the camera, but
Yes.
everybody have that kind of capability. He can do acting like in closed room and all. So everybody have some hidden talents. I think so.
But if you haven't thought about it, that you could say like, I haven't given thought to this. I haven't given thought to this. कभी इस बारे में सोचा नहीं.
Okay, I haven't given thought to this.
Yeah, I haven't given thought to this. कि मतलब मैंने इस बारे में कभी सोचा नहीं. Okay. Okay. So any other movie?
So what was your like All the Best was my quite good one, and
Okay.
another one like if I'm watching some kind of like what web series nowadays. Web series is quite funniest one. Like if you're watching Panchayat, in that there are did you watch Panchayat?
No, I'm not into
It's
web
completely
series.
based. It's completely based on the UP of story.
Okay.
Story of UP Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Panchayat. I think there are 2 or 3 series of panchayats. I think 2 series of panchayats. You should watch.
Okay.
That was so full of like village comedy.
Okay.
What happening in the village?
I'm a big fan of
what
comedy.
happening in-
If someone suggests me to watch any comedy movie, then definitely I will watch in my free time.
But I think Panchayat is one of the best one.
Okay.
And apart from that, if you watch Gullak, Gullak is also good one.
Okay.
Gullak is like, I think it's 3 seasons are released.
Okay.
Till now, 3 seasons are released yet. And in Gullak, you find out that is a story of a household, like a family, how they live, like middle class family, how they live in a society, how they have like some kind of a scarcity in their house, some fight with wife, children and all. So this is quite funniest one. Like this is also the story of UP. Gullak is also based on the story of
something you
UP.
just watch, just you can feel by heart, like it is heart touching story. You can relate to that thing, then you can enjoy a lot. That's why most of the time I choose like UP movies, like we can touch it, we can relate to it. Like Ranjhada movie, first time I watched that Ranjhada movie, so that was really superb. In that movie
which
also,
one? Okay, yeah,
exactly, that movie. So first time I watched that movie related to like UP, it was a touch based.
So if you watch Gullak, if you watch Panchayat, that is awesome one. So you will love the accent of the persons. They are speaking like a village guy, okay, into the UP tone, and they are acting like a village guy. Did you know that slang? Dekh rahe ho Binod? That is from the Panchayat.
Okay.
Dekh rahe ho na Binod? Like that is very famous slang nowadays.
Really,
everybody using into the.
I'm not aware.
That was awesome.
Okay.
If you watch that, you will love. You will enjoy that movie, that series. They have different languages. If you're going to like Western UP, they have different languages. If you go to Kanpur, they have different languages. Kanpuria, they have different tones. Allahabad, they have different tones. So, yeah, I like.
But main UP language is quite popular. Means it is like shown in movies and all. Actually, if you watch that movie, Tanu It's Manu, second, I mean, I have also watched first. So the second one movie, there was a person who was typically from UP. So it was shown actually in that movie, and he was using all the time UP language. So you will really start laughing. You couldn't control yourself laughing the way he was speaking it.
Yeah. So yeah, Kanpuria is also quite famous in movies. Like you have seen like most of the movies. There are lots of movies that is based on that language, Kanpuria language.
Yeah.
Movie.
Okay. So means how many friends do you have? Is there any person in your contact who is really good comedian? That person has
good comedian.
Yeah, like we have few friends. They have good sense of comedy, sense of humor. Do you have around you any person?
Yeah, there are so many classmates who do stand-up kind of comedy. Okay. So in group, you will find out like if you have 5, 6, 7 friends, somebody have that IQ. Like if you are speaking anything, they can find out the way how to make it, like how to do something. Tang khichna like that.
Actually, in our family we do the same. Haven't you ever done? Like in your family, don't you ever do?
No. If you're talking about in my family, I'm quite serious kind of person.
Okay.
I don't do comedy, anything like that.
In my whole family, actually, I'm number one comedian. I'm counted as a number one. Nobody can really surpass me. So it means they feel like.
So it makes you quite happy.
I don't do anything. Really, this kind of thoughts comes to my mind actually. I mean, I never do anything. It means while seeing a person, this kind of thoughts create me like I should say like this thing or that thing.
Part of intelligence. If you are doing like any kind of stand-up comedian, if you are watching Comedy Nights with Kapil, whatever he is speaking, if you speak any words, if you speak any sentences, okay, he will find out the way how to make it funny. So it's a part of your IQ. If you have good IQ level, then only you can do that kind of comedy. Nowadays, like on Insta and YouTube, you find out like they're one of the best stand-up comedian. He's from I think Bhopal, MP. Javed, I think something. Jakir Khan, I think so. He was one of the best comedy. To go anywhere. So I'll plan to watch all the episodes in the night. So sometimes it's okay. And nowadays, in every part, people are mostly watching web series. more than movies. And I think that is good, yeah, not bad at all.
Okay, I've watched only 3.
Because you find out find out different content. You can plan for that. Okay, the ashram has launched today, so you can plan on weekend. Like, okay, tomorrow is Sunday. So Saturday night is completely I will be free, so you can plan and you can watch in that day. Because ashram also has like I think 3 seasons. Aparan also has 2 seasons, I think so. I've watched all Aparan, Ashram, and anything. But I like mostly watching that is based on either true events, true story, or either based on crime, any kind of like suspense, thriller. I like to watch those kind of web series. So Mirzapur is based on completely, crime and all. So I love that kind of series. That makes you engage. That makes you like, it's quite good time pass kind of thing. Because in this stress kind of situations, you have something where you can listen crime kind of stories, crime thrillers, crime suspense. So that's why these kind of series are coming out, and it's also